We cordially invite you to join us on our trip to the Great Sphere of Whales. This wonderful book for kids will take you into the open expanse of baleen and tooth whales. Find out about the rich repertoire of aortic meridians. Swim into the secret undersea home of the whales. Close to the ocean floor, discover pure joy in the beauty of the whales. Instead of teeth, baleen whales have large plates in their jaws. These are the efficient sieves that mean baleen whale species are the most successful type of whale. A dozen really interesting-looking baleens are on show. We're showing 5 of the most unusual-looking ones here. First, we have the blue whale, a giant from urban legend. The mountain of a creature shown here is the largest animal who's ever roamed the earth. It gets to be as long as 100 feet, weighing 200 tons. Our second whale is the humpback whale. Singing its songs, leaping high into the air, this is the jester of the water, the belly flasher of the sea. It migrates back and forth from huge distances, surprising everybody with its leaping and tail slapping. Our third whale is the grey whale. This beauty migrates south in huge numbers from the Arctic Circle to Mexico. With its wide back and barnacles, it can be easily recognized. The fourth whale we dive into the ocean to see is the fin whale. Known as the greyhound of the sea, this is the second largest type of whale. Its sleek body lets him fly through the water in a race to get back to the sea. Our final baleen whale is the minke whale. This lady is a charmer. A lot smaller than their big family members, a small minke is just right for an up-close and personal welcome on board. A minke isn't too big, too fast, or too scary, just perfect for a small team ready to play. We hope you have enjoyed this trip into the magical world of whales.